Are you also managing an astrology class? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your astrology class business. So as an owner of an astrology class, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages from students and their parents regarding the courses, prices, duration, etc. Handling each of the inquiry manually was a time-consuming task and it is not possible. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that is an amazing WhatsApp automation tool. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, that too without any coding and programming skills, that is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages and the inquiries that I am receiving from my customers 24/7, and also going to automate the responses for me in such a way that every time I am going to receive a new WhatsApp message from any of my customer, automatically a reply is going to be sent to that customer on the basis of their response. For your business, if you also want to learn this amazing process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for astrology class business. So as an owner of an astrology class institute, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages from students related to new courses, prices, duration, and much more. Handling each of the inquiry manually was not possible for me. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow very easily. That is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages and the inquiries that I am receiving, also the FAQs. It is also going to collect the details of my leads and my clients for me, and that too effortlessly. Without moving forward towards learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for our business, I am going to first of all show you how this bot is actually going to work. So I will take you towards WhatsApp, and this is the WhatsApp number of my astrology class, AstroLearn Institute. As a random customer, I am going to send a message over here, as you can see. Hello, share the course details, please. And you can see instantly I got the reply from AstroLearn Institute. Welcome to AstroLearn Institute. I'm your virtual astrology guide. Here to assist you, please choose an option to get started. We have three options over here. I can easily click on any of the button. Let's say courses. So you can see I got the course with the price, and here we have the caption, want to register, tab below. When I'm going to click on this button, you can see it is asking me my name. So I'm going to provide my name, let's say test user. As I've sent my name, you can see that now it is asking me my email. After sending the email, now it is asking me the course level. Then it is saying, thank you, we have received your details. Our team will get in touch shortly with class timings and payment details. Meanwhile, feel free to ask any other question. So in this way, our bot is actually going to work. Now, without any further wait, let's start learning this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our business step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and also to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create the chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the remaining credits, and the WhatsApp number that we have added. If you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can also create separate folders to save the numbers separately. Now, in order to learn how to create your Pabbly Chatflow account, how to do the setup, and how to add a WhatsApp number, we have created separate tutorials for each of them that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So if you want, you can just go and watch the videos. Also, here we have the option add WhatsApp number. We have two methods over here, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method. For both these methods, we have created separate tutorials that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. Also, I'm going to attach the link of both the videos in my description. Now, apart from creating the chatbot, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow that are inbox feature, contact section, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, and much more. For each of these features, we have created separate tutorials and are already uploaded on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, just go and watch the video from there. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot step by step. Okay, so first of all, for that, you have to go towards the flow section. After coming on the flow section, you can see these are all the flows I have created for different purposes. Now, to start with the flow, first of all, we have to click on this add flow button. A blank flow is going to be ready for us, which we have to prepare. You have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create over here is going to be totally based on the flow that we are preparing, because flow is going to decide the chronological orders of the messages that are to be sent automatically on the basis of clients or customers' replies. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give the name to my flow. Let's say the name is WhatsApp chatbot for your astrology class business. Now you need to decide that how you want to start your flow. As I've shown you in the beginning of the video, when I was receiving certain messages from my students or from my customers, then my bot was starting. So you also have to decide whether you want that when you're going to receive only specific words, then your flow should start, or you want that every time you're going to receive any kind of message, your flow should start. I want that whenever I'm going to receive any kind of message from my customers, my flow should start. So here I'm going to enter a regex. Regex is regular expressions which helps us to identify the messages and start the flow. We have multiple regex. I'm going to use a specific one that is going to help me that as soon as I'm going to receive any message from my customer, whether it is a text message, a paragraph, a single word, or even an emoji, my flow is going to start. So the regex which I'm going to use is, as my flow is going to start, then I'm going to send a message to my clients or the customer who is chatting with me that what they want to explore. So I'm going to send them a text plus button message. Welcome to AstroLearn Institute. I'm your virtual astrology guide here to assist you. And here I've used stars in order to make some of the details bold like this. Please choose an option to get started. And I'm going to send them some buttons so that they can choose their interest. First button is that if they want to look for the courses that we are providing. The second button is for registering themselves. And the third button is for frequently asked questions. So I have 3 buttons over here. According to each of the buttons, I'm going to send separate message. If the customer wants to click on the button courses, so they want to explore about the courses. So I'm going to send them an image that is going to be the catalog of the courses. So I'm going to send them a media message. Okay, now here you can see we have multiple media options. I'm going to send image and here I'm going to upload the image. I've uploaded the image of the course with the price. And now I'm going to enter a caption over here that is going to be, want to register, tab below. And here I'm going to provide them the button for register now. So now if they want to register for the course, I'm going to collect their details. First of all, their name. So I'm going to send them a question message so that I can collect their response. Let's get you registered. Please answer a few quick questions. First of all, what's your full name? And here I want to collect their name. So I'm going to select contact custom field and the format is going to be text. To select contact custom field, you can go towards settings section and select contact custom field. Whichever detail you want to collect from your customers, you can select that. When we are going to collect the details in contact custom fields, as we are going to receive the replies, those details will be automatically added in the contact section. And further, we will be able to use the same details automatically in our communications to make our communication more personalized. Also, apart from this, we can collect the details separately in any other application as well. Now, as I've added full name, we have the format of the full name as text. And also, if you want to provide the real-time chances, you can send them. Now, the next I'm going to collect is their email. So again, I will send them a question. I will connect it with my previous step. And here I'm going to send them the message as your email address. Okay, let me make it bold. And I want to collect email. Format will be email. Now, the next I want to collect is preferred course level. Now I'm going to select the course level and contact custom field as course level and the format is going to be text. Okay, as I'm going to receive these details, so I'm going to send them a next message that is going to be that their details are received and soon they will get registered. Thank you, we have received your details. Our team will get in touch shortly with class timings and payment details. Meanwhile, feel free to ask any other questions if you have. Okay, so the first part is completed. Let's save the flow and let's move towards the next part. That is if the customer wants to register. So again, I'm going to connect this button with the same message where I'm providing them that how they can register themselves. Okay. Now the next we have is the FAQ. So if they want to click on the button FAQ, I'm going to send them the message regarding the FAQs that we have. So these are the frequently asked questions we have. And now I'm going to provide 2 buttons. Want to look for courses or want to talk to support. If they want to look for courses, so I'm going to send them the course details. So I'm going to connect this button again with the message where I'm providing them the course details and it will continue the flow. If they want to talk to support, so I'm going to send them another message. Need help? Our support team is here to assist you with any questions about courses, registrations or schedules. Call us at this number. So my flow is ready and now I'm going to quickly save the flow. As the flow is saved, now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp and we will check whether the flow that we have created is working properly or not. So this is the number of AstroLearn Institute, the name of my classes, and as a customer or as a client, I'm going to send a message, let's say as, hello, what are the course prices? a random message, and you can see I got the reply. This means that my flow that I've created is actually working fine. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business. You can also collect the details. Not only this, but also automate the responses 24/7 and increase your sales and productivity. I hope this automation and this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.